Hello and welcome to NPTEL classes. Today I am here to solve chemistry class 11th NCERT problem 2.44 from unit 2nd, that is structure of atom. Let me read the problem. An ion with mass number 56 contains 3 units of positive charge and 30.4% more neutrons than electrons. Assign the symbol to the ion. This problem is based on Rutherford's nuclear model of atom. For an ion, mass number, that is number of neutrons plus protons, is given 56. Ion carries 3 units of positive charge, indicating that it is a cation, and magnitude of charge on this cation is 3, of course positive. Relation between neutrons and electrons for this ion is also given, that number of neutrons are 30.4% more than number of electrons. And finally we have to assign symbol to the ion. Idea is that symbol represents an element, and for an element atomic number Z is fundamental property. On basis of atomic number we can identify an element, and then we can write symbol that which will represent that element. So here problem is, we have to do homework. Homework is we have to find the atomic number of element which forms tripositive cation, and on basis of atomic number we will write symbol of this ion. Let me start to practice its. I will practice its solution with this idea that mass number is represented by A, atomic number is represented by Z, and I will represent this symbol of this ion by X, which I need to find. It is given that charge on this ion is +3. It is tripositive cation, and its A value I will write on left side, and its Z value I will write on left side. Now here charge is given +3, A is also given 56. So I may write it like this: X 56, Z, and charge is +3. Now what I have to determine? I have to determine first atomic number, then I can identify element, and then I can write symbol X for this element which forms this tripositive ion. Now first thing, I need to find Z. I will write mass number A is equal to number of protons, that is atomic number, plus number of neutrons. number of neutrons. From here I can write A is equal to number of protons represents atomic number Z plus number of neutrons. From here I can find number of neutrons. For any element, number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z. I will mark this equation, label this equation as equation 1. For any element or for any atom, number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number, A minus Z. Now, cation is tripositive, so number of electrons in this cation, E, usually by writing small e we represent magnitude of charge on electron. Usually small e represents magnitude of charge on electron, but here for me E represents number of electron. I want to save time and space, so E represents number of electrons. Number of electrons in cation will be equal to its number of protons and minus how many electrons are lost by this atom to form cation. Since it is tripositive, it has lost 3 electrons. So number of electrons in this tripositive cation are Z minus 3, atomic number minus 3, number of protons minus 3, because in neutral atom number of electrons is equal to number of protons, but cation is tripositive, it has lost 3 electrons, so number of electrons in tripositive cation will be equal to number of protons minus 3. From here I can write Z is equal to E, number of protons will be 3 greater than number of electrons. Now I will substitute, I will express in equation first, I will express Z in terms of E. So I may write number of neutrons is equal to A minus E plus 3. A minus E plus 3, or number of neutrons is equal to A minus E minus 3, and A value for this is given, for this element A value is given 56. I may write number of neutrons is equal to 56 minus E minus 3. This I will keep equation second. Now number of question says for this ion number of neutrons is 30.4% greater than number of electrons. Number of neutrons which are greater than electrons is 30.4% of number of electrons. In this ion, number of neutrons which are greater than electrons is equal to 30.4% of number of electrons. So total number of neutrons will be equal to number of neutrons will be equal to number of electrons E plus number of neutrons greater than electrons, that is 30.4% of electrons. So number of neutrons will be equal to E plus 30.4 divided by 100 of number of electrons. Number of neutrons will be equal to E plus 0.304 electrons. This I will label equation third. Now I will compare equation second and equation third. Equation second also gives number of neutrons, equation third also gives number of neutrons. On comparing 2 and 3, I find LHS is same, so I can easily equate RHS side. Equating RHS side, I will get 56 minus E minus 3 is equal to E plus 0.304. Now I will take this E here. Total number of E will be total number of E from here I am moving here. It will be total number of E will be 2.304 E is equal to 56 minus 3, that will be 53, and E will be equal to 53 divided by 2.304, and E will come equal to 23. Number of electrons in this tripositive cation are 23. So what will be the number of protons? Number of protons will be E plus 3. Number of protons will be 23 plus 3. Number of protons will be 26. And there is only one element in periodic table with atomic number 26, that is iron. Whose atomic number is 26 and mass number will be 56, and this iron forms tripositive cation. This is our answer. This is answer to this problem. So symbol of iron, we needed to write symbol of iron, and symbol of iron is iron raised to power plus 3 with atomic number 56 and mass number 56. And number of neutrons, we can calculate number of neutrons will be equal to A minus Z, 56 minus 26, that will be 30. Class 11 students, this is the problem which I have got for you today. See you day after tomorrow with one new problem. Till then, take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.